Check this out. Kind of windy outside. We wanted to do a great flight, but unfortunately we checked her out a little bit earlier, and the wind just caught her and wanted to try and take her away. Anyway, so today I think what we're going to do is we're just going to do a quick unboxing, and we'll try and do one mission, maybe indoors. But we definitely want to get her back outside and show you a little bit more about what she can do. She's definitely a cool drone, so stay tuned.
Greetings, recruit. I am Friday, Tony Stark's AI assistant. Congratulations on your induction into the pilot program and being entrusted with one of Stark Industries' latest mini drones. We have detected some hostile forces in your area, and Ironman needs your help. As a rookie pilot, you will learn to master the technological capabilities of your drone and harness the skills necessary to survey and protect your neighborhood. This drone is equipped with turbo quadrotors, a high-res camera, onboard flight radar, and a missile evasion system. Now I will guide you on how to control your drone through a series of training missions. Let's begin by establishing a connection with your drone. Select a mission. First mission, we will cover basic flight controls, takeoff, and landing. And swipe right on your phone to launch the drone. Use the virtual control pads. Good. Now follow the flight path to your target destination. You can also locate the waypoint on your flight radar. Safety circle is now activated. Please only fly your Tello within a circle with a great job. Now turn the drone around and land back at your starting position to complete the mission. Congratulations! You've just completed your first mission.
How can I make this up to you?
The answer's in this puzzle box. Let's see if you can open it.
Anyways, we'd like to thank you for watching this little short video. We'll definitely be doing some more with the little Tello Ironman. This is a lot of fun. You know, I think with this app and the little features that they've added in there, it's definitely a Tello worth getting. Even more for the novelty part of it. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. We'll definitely be back with the Ironman. Please like, please subscribe, and fly safe. Bye for now.